For most companies, business is all about the product. Customer centricity flips that equation around. The whole idea is this: if we can figure out who our best customers are, and if we can find a way to build a business around them, we can potentially make more money than that usual obsession over version 2.0 of the product. Most marketing metrics have been basically product oriented. So how many units of this product did we sell? What is its market share? But today it's all about the data. And they're saying, how can we leverage this data to try to build businesses in a fundamentally different way? First of all, we have to be able to identify who the most valuable customers are. And when we talk about that, we're talking about this concept of customer lifetime value. Conceptually, it's actually quite simple. If I can look at all the different activities that a customer has done with me so far, I want to project really three things. How long is this customer going to stay with me? How long is that relationship going to last? How many different purchases or other economically valuable activities will take place over that future horizon? And how valuable will those activities be? It requires data, it requires analytics, it requires just an overall organizational framework and culture that's quite different than the kinds of businesses that we conventionally think about. Google has played an incredible role of creating and facilitating this whole, I'd like to believe, revolution of customer centricity. So part of it is just on the educational side. We're trying to create meaningful, ongoing, lasting value for their clients, for their B2B customers. And so I find it fascinating to see how different kinds of companies take on this challenge and the different barriers that they hit and the successes that they achieve.